Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2014 Skoda Yeti, stock number 7313. It's run from the 7th of 2011 to 12th 2017. It's a CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a CBZB 1.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left-hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right-hand taillight. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right-hand door mirror. Right front guard, one dent. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,